Do you completely understand the CDC guidelines that are out there right now? We all need some help with interpretations and implementation, especially those of you who work in the healthcare and the housekeeping industry, such as in nursing homes. You are the frontline warriors for infection prevention and control. With us today, we have an expert on this. Ralph Peterson is a cleaning business strategist. And Ralph, thank you for providing this sneak peek into your presentation, which is in the healthcare track at the show, brought to attendees by IEHA, a division of ISSA, and it is an all-access pass session. Your topic, Ralph, is understanding the CDC guidelines for housekeeping in nursing homes. That's a hot topic today, and you're speaking Wednesday, November 17th at 1 p.m. Pacific time. Ralph, tell us a little bit about your presentation and why attendees should be there for that.
Yes, thank you so much for having me on. What does the CDC have to say regarding the environmental controls that we should be having in any healthcare environment? Well, it's much like the weather, and just wait a minute and it'll change. The CDC has the best well-intentions, but sometimes their guidelines go from this end all the way to this end, and it's very challenging sometimes to go, wait, what? And so that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to describe or explain the what, and when it comes to the CDC and what they are actually expecting, and not just the CDC, but the Department of Health as well. They too have a lot of regulations because they're trying to do one thing, and that is to protect the population of those who are receiving care in a healthcare environment. And so it's our job just to make sure that we are abiding by those. And it starts with, of course, understanding those. And that is why you should be attending this workshop, because I'm going to be telling you how to abide by the CDC guidelines.